Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we're going to discuss the top 5 skills you need to learn for online earning. With the rise of the digital age, these skills have become highly valuable and can open up a world of opportunities for you. So let's dive right in. Skill number 5 on our list is graphic designing. In today's visually driven world, businesses and individuals are constantly in need of eye-catching designs for their websites, social media, and marketing materials. Learning graphic design will allow you to create stunning visuals and stand out in the digital space. There are several graphic design tools available, such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, which you can learn through online tutorials, courses, or even by practicing on your own. With the right skills, you can offer your services as a freelance graphic designer or work with design agencies. Moving on to skill number 4, we have video editing. As video content continues to dominate the online world, being able to edit videos effectively is a highly sought-after skill. Whether it's for YouTube, social media platforms, or corporate videos, video editing can help you create engaging and professional-looking content. There are various video editing software options available, such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free alternatives like DaVinci Resolve. You can learn these tools through tutorials and practice. As a video editor, you can work with content creators, businesses, or even start your own YouTube channel. Skill number 3 is social media management. Social media has become an integral part of our lives, and businesses are increasingly relying on these platforms to reach their target audience. By becoming a social media manager, you can help businesses grow their online presence and engage with their customers effectively. You will need to understand the ins and outs of various social media platforms, develop strategies, and create engaging content. Additionally, knowledge of analytics and advertising can greatly enhance your skills as a social media manager. This skill opens doors to work with brands, agencies, or even start your own social media management business. Next up at skill number 2, we have content writing. High-quality content is the backbone of online marketing and communication. If you have a way with words, content writing can be a lucrative skill to develop. From blog posts to website copy and social media captions, businesses are always in need of engaging and persuasive content. To improve your content writing skills, read extensively, practice writing regularly, and study different writing styles. You can also take online courses to learn about SEO, search engine optimization, and writing for the web. With excellent writing skills, you can work as a freelance writer, create your own blog, or even become a copywriter for marketing agencies. Finally, skill number 1 on our list is web development. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses, and that starts with a well-designed website. By learning web development, you can create and maintain websites for clients or even start your own web development agency. You'll need to learn programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and familiarize yourself with web development frameworks and content management systems like WordPress. There are numerous online resources and courses available to help you get started on your web development journey. And there you have it, the top 5 skills for online earning. Graphic designing, video editing, social media management, content writing, and web development are all in high demand in today's digital world. By mastering these skills, you can unlock various opportunities, whether it's freelancing, starting your own business, or working with ESTA.